Good day, everyone. This is Ivy Laorina Paris, a BSID Math 2 student, who will show you a video awareness directed at inequalities in global trading system. Let's first talk about what is global trade. Global trade, also known as international trade, is simply the export and the imports of goods and services across international boundaries. Goods and services that enter into our country for sale are called the imports, and the goods and services sold to other country called exports. So, what makes global trading system unequal?
The trade policy can influence inequality through market access and entry conditions. International trade is increasingly regulated through non-tariff measures, which affect most traded goods and have a greater effect on trade than tariffs. Such non-tariff measures influence international trade and can have profound effects on inequality, both within and between countries.
Developing countries are sometimes locked into unfair trading agreements with larger companies or large multinationals. It is called dumping, an unfair trade practice where products are exported at prices below their production costs. Sometimes, developed countries impose tariffs and quotas on imports. Tariffs are taxes charged for goods that leave or enter a country, which makes foreign goods more expensive to the consumer. Quotas are limits on the amount of goods imported and usually work in the developed country's favor. Putting a quota on the goods creates a shortage, which causes the price of the goods to rise. And now, think of how many goods that developed countries import. Well, it can lead to income inequality, where a global problem that requires a global solutions.
Consumers views patronizing or having imported products as status symbol, and they think that if it is foreign products, it has a good standard and it is high in quality, or maybe they have negative thinking or attitude to local products. But in reality, Philippine products has a good quality. Many foreign apparel are produced here in the country. It is just that they don't put a made in the Philippines label because of such mentality that Philippine-made products are inferior or low. So there's also an inequality happened because of that colonial mentality.
So this is Ivy Laorina Paris saying, if we learn together, if we work together, we can make a big difference.